Welcome to Lahari Codes. Now let's look at a very important interview question. How does the Java program work using JDK, JRE and JVM? Let me explain it step by step in a simple way. This image shows how a Java program works using JDK, JRE and JVM. First we write the code and save the program as MyProgram.java. Then using JDK, the code is compiled with the javac compiler and the compiler converts the Java code into bytecode, which is saved as MyProgram.class. Now this bytecode goes into JVM, but JVM cannot directly understand it. So it uses libraries and environment provided by JRE to convert into native machine code. Next, JRE runs the program and inside it JVM executes the bytecode. Finally, we get the output. So in simple terms, JDK is used to develop and JRE is used to run and JVM executes the program. Remember this point, JDK contains JRE and JRE contains JVM. Now let's see this with a simple example. First we write the program in a file called MyProgram.java. This is our source code. Inside this file, we write a simple Java program to print hello world. Then we compile the program using command javac myprogram.java. After compilation, a new file is created, myprogram.class. This is called bytecode. Now we run the program using Java MyProgram and finally we get the output hello world. For your reference, I have summarized the complete flow and key points on this page. You can pause the video and go through it once for quick revision. So this is how a Java program is written, compiled and executed. This is the basic structure of a Java program. First line, public class MyProgram. Here, public means everyone can access it. Class is used to create a class. MyProgram is the class name. Next, public static void main. This is called the main method. Java programs start execution from here. Public, accessible, static, no object needed, void, no return value, main is the starting point. Next, string bracket args. This is used for command line arguments. For now, just remember it is compulsory. Next line, system.out.println. This is used to print output on the screen. Inside double quotes, whatever we will be writing, it will be printed. So output is hello Lahari Codes. So finally, see this public access modifier, class method visible everywhere. Class defines a class in Java. MyProgram is the class name, must match file name myprogram.java. Main entry point of execution and static. JVM can run it without creating an object. Void no return value. String bracket args, command line arguments. System.out.println print outputs with a new line. So this is how a Java program is written, compiled and executed. This is Lahari Codes. If you learned something today, please like, share and subscribe for next video.